When you're thinking of performance vehicles from the early 2000s, it's hard to overlook a Terminator Cobra. This is a 2003 with 36,000 miles and arguably the best color, Sonic Blue. Let's take it out for a test drive and see why it's at the top of the food chain. I'm really excited to drive this car, and I'm really excited for it to get warmed up so I can get after it some. These cars are awesome. This is an 03 Sonic Blue Terminator Cobra with a documented 36,597 actual miles. It is a clean Carfax, clean auto check, no accidents or damage ever reported. And again, it's an actual 36,597 actual mile car, so great miles. And just finding a Sonic Blue that's this clean, it's just hard to do. I think they made 1,052 Sonic Blue coupes in 2003, so they're few and far between. For me, it's my personal favorite color, even more so over a competition orange Cobra. I love the Sonic Blue, so this is a great, great car. Like all of your Terminators, it's a factory supercharged 4.6. In the factory application, they make 390 horse and 390 foot-pounds of torque. This one having the aftermarket cold air intake, the upgraded pulley, and then your catback exhaust system. It's probably 450 or so on the horsepower if I had to guess. Maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. But when you do that pulley upgrade, you really get some extra power out of them. And that's the easiest #1 bolt-on upgrade that people do on these cars. Under normal driving conditions, it drives like a bone stock one. But obviously when you get into the boost, having that aftermarket pulley, it pulls really hard. The 6-speed manual transmission shifts through all the gears well. The clutch feels good. It is a pretty stiff pedal, but it works great. It's easy to find all the gears, goes up through the gears, down through the gears, in and out of reverse properly. Stock steering setup, disc brakes, all of that performs exactly like you should. I got my AC on right now, it's blowing nice and cold. Heat also works. Obviously we're getting into springtime here, so I don't really need the heat, but the heater does work. And it really performs like a lower mileage Cobra, which is just killer. And I'm always a huge fan of the SVT cars. On the interior, it's code M2, your medium graphite interior. There's a couple tiny flaws on the suede over here on the driver's side seat. Headliner's in good shape, visors look good, no problems with the dash, upper or lower. The steering wheel is really clean all the way around. Door panels look good. Carpet looks good. You do have the lighter colored gray mats with the large Cobra emblem on there. The mats look good. Got your headrests here. Slide them up, slide them down. All your creature comforts in here. All of that stuff is working. The only items on this particular car that we have as a disclaimer, and it's a really short list, when you first crank the car up, you hear the stereo kind of kicking on. It kind of pops a little bit, and then the traction control light is staying off, which is better than it staying on. And when I say off, it means the traction control is off and the light is lit up. When you push the button, the light doesn't do anything, it doesn't go off. So the traction control is basically off at all times. We are gonna let a couple of these cars go, and then we are gonna have a whole lot of fun. Get out of it and get back into it real quick because we had a couple cars pull out in front of us, but that's okay. We'll have an opportunity to get in the throttle a little bit more later in the video. But as you can see, as you can hear, this car hauls ass. It's a lot of fun. The Terminator cars are one of the best sounding motors of any type of car. Love that supercharger whine. This one does have, looks like it's got an X-pipe and then Dynomax mufflers and then tailpipes coming out the back. I'm a huge fan of these with the Borlas. But the Dynomax is kind of a quieter muffler, so if you don't like that crazy loud drone, this is a good exhaust note. You do hear more supercharger than you do hear exhaust, so personal preference on that. If you wanted to change the catback, you could, but it still sounds great. Performance is spot on. Again, we'll get in it a little bit more here in just a second. Underneath is great. Floors are awesome. Don't see any problems with the bottom side of the car in any way, shape, or form. Represents like a 36,000 mile car should represent. And then on the exterior, it is code SN, which is your Sonic Blue paint. Again, my favorite color on a Terminator. Looks excellent. You have some stone chips on the front bumper. You have a few little ones kind of around the car. There's some little scuffs on both of the side scoops. There's like a little scratch and like a little ding on the passenger fender up front. You'll see photos of that in the additional media tab on the website PC Classic Cars. But walking around the car, it does have its other little nicks and imperfections. The third brake light's got a little hairline crack in it like all of these get. Again, you'll see photos of all that stuff in the additional media tab. It has replacement wheels on it. They are a 17-inch anniversary wheel. This is not an anniversary car, but it has the anniversary wheels with tires that are great. They're a 2020 on the date code on the tires. No dry rot, no cracking. Tires are ready to go on it. I think the anniversary wheels, the gray wheels with the Sonic Blue, is one of the best looking combos for a stock application. Obviously, there's a bunch of aftermarket wheels you can put on these cars that look kick-ass, but the 17-inch anniversary wheels look great if you ask me. As far as your glass goes, windshield doesn't have any major issues other than a few little road nicks. Power windows, power locks, all of that works properly. Power mirrors also work properly. You have your rear defrost, which kicks on, kicks off. You have your fog light switch there. You got to have your headlights on, but that works properly as well. SVT gauges are clear and easy to read from the driving position. You have your power adjustable driver's seat over here with tilt, with cruise control. Again, your creature comforts that all of these cars were born with. All of that stuff functions exactly like it should. Man, I just love driving these cars. They are so fun to just rip around town. We'll downshift. We'll do a little second gear pull here on this fresh blacktop. Hell yeah. Absolutely f***ing awesome. Again, they're not the fastest cars in the world. You can go buy a 700 horsepower or even an 800 horsepower car from the factory nowadays, but the driving position in these Terminators, the way that they perform, you actually have to drive them instead of just pushing a button and hitting the throttle and going. You can have a cool driving experience. You can get sideways in these cars a little bit if you want to. You can bring them back. You can just have a lot of fun just ripping around town in one of these cars. They're some of my favorite vehicles that we get here at PC Classic Cars. These Terminators are just great. They sound awesome, and this is a killer one with 36,000 and some change miles. It's Sonic Blue. You have your obviously stock interior, which is great. Having that pulley upgrade and having the cold air intake is things that I would personally do to my Cobra if I was going to keep one, so I love the fact that it's already done. When you pop the deck lid in the back, it's all factory OE spec in the trunk back there, and then when you pop the hood, it is the original numbers matching motor. You do have that, I think it's called Green Performance cold air intake, and then you have the aftermarket pulley upgrade. Other than that, it's really stock in that engine compartment. Hoses, fluids, all that stuff does check out good. Love these cars. They are fantastic. As always, I'm Michael. This is a Sonic Blue 2003 Terminator with 36,604 miles from myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars. We appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, PCClassicCars.com. Check out all of the killer content we're posting across the social platforms every single day, and we will catch you guys on the next video. And I think I might just go take this for a little bit longer of a test drive. I'm not done having fun yet.